We will discuss about the definite article the, where we use the. First, name of names of any particular or specific person, place, thing, rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, musical instruments, etc. For example, the book The Himalayas. We use the before superlative degree: the best, the most, the worst. The is used to talk about a person or thing we are known before any ordinal numbers, the first, the second. We use the before any important historical events or incidents, the French Revolution, the Sipai Mutiny, etc. We use the before any occupation, the army, the air force, etc. Now, in articles, there are some cases where we do not use articles. First, before proper noun. Delhi is the capital of India. Here, Delhi proper noun, and we cannot use article here. Before any abstract noun. Health is wealth. Here health and wealth is abstracted. Abstract noun means any kind of feelings. Next, we cannot use any article before common noun. For example, man is mortal, man, boy, etc. We cannot use article before material noun. For example, coal is called black diamond. Coal, material noun. Diamond, any kind of material noun. Before plural countable noun. Students, teachers. Before any name of meals. For example, dinner, supper, lunch, breakfast. Any names of game, school, college. We cannot use article before any language. For example, Bengali, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi. Before any name of relations, mother, father. Mother has returned from school. Here, mother denotes a relation.